Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a website in which you can make money while working from home. But before getting into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to share with you a legit website that you can use to make money online, and you're going to get paid through PayPal. I'm not 100% if this is a worldwide opportunity because it did not say so, but I'm pretty sure that, well, I will say 90% sure that this is going to work everywhere, but you need to have a PayPal account verified. The website that I'm going to be talking about, it's called remotask.com. remotask.com. Just in case that you're like, oh my god, this is another website in which I'm going to be doing tasks and I'm not going to get paid. I'm going to show you two things. First of all, if you go to Google and type remote tasks, you're going to see that they're paying for ads. Okay? There is no way a company that is not going to pay you, it's going to be paying for ads. Okay? They also are offering in-house positions. Right now, they are looking for an HR manager in Philippines. So this is a legit website. You can find reviews about this. They do pay. We are not going to be talking about in-house positions. We want to work from home. So you are going to be making money doing tasks. You can start making money from your home today. Okay. Here is a video in which they're going to explain you the actual process. It's really simple. Actually, how it works. Where there are different micro tasks that you can go from tagging images, transcribing audios, moderate content, different tasks, that you can do. The only requirement is that you need to be an English speaker. You need to speak it fluently, okay? If you click here, get started, you are going to notice that you will need to connect it to a Facebook account, okay? It doesn't matter if you want or you try to do this from, like email or something like that, it is a must that you need to connect your Facebook profile. Okay, your Facebook profile needs to be verified. So that means that when you join Facebook, I don't remember, you receive an email and they ask you click on this link to verify your account. So if you're going to create another account just to use this for remote tests, that's okay, but you need to verify it, okay? This is flexible work from home, so you can do your hours. Well, again, you are going to sign up. You just need to connect Facebook. You're going to get certified in all sort of task categories. You're going to do the tasks and you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid on a weekly basis on PayPal. Your PayPal account needs to be verified. There are different tasks that you can do, most on providing human insight into text, video, and images. It can be image annotation, in which you're going to be drawing boxes around certain objects, putting tasks, text categorizing, transcribing whatever information you're going to find on an image, doing comparisons, doing audio transcriptions, and collect data. These are basically the tasks that you're going to be doing. Just in case that you have questions about the tasks, they do have a really active community. So do not hesitate to ask for help. Here are some of the testimonials. And as you can see, there are people who have been working here for over 2 years. They are doing this, as a living. Some questions that you might be asking, like, where do the tests do come from, right? They work with multiple companies, from small startup to public companies. Some examples include self-driving car companies and t-shirt startups. Okay, can you just work with your smartphone? They suggest you to work with a laptop or a computer. You can do most of the tasks from your smartphone, but they say they encourage you, if you're doing complex tasks like 2D and 3D annotations, to use a computer. What kind of tasks should I get enabled on? Well, as I told you, different kind of tasks. Do you need to pay in order to be in the platform or use it? No, but there is a 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout, okay? So they offer you courses with what they call the remote task university, okay? So they encourage you to go on them and find it. This is something that I told you before, that you need to join with Facebook, with a Facebook account. If you get an error, it's because your Facebook account is not verified. So you need to make sure that you click on the email that you receive with to activate Facebook. Okay. How are you gonna withdraw the money? Well, after signing up, you are gonna need to add your PayPal account to your profile. You have to go to account, right? And you need to type in your PayPal account and your country details. Make sure that this is a PayPal verified account, okay? Opening a PayPal account is really easy. Just go to paypal.com. And well, this is it. Actually, how many hours do you need to do? There is no minimum, but remember that you're gonna get paid on a weekly basis. So the more hours and the more tasks you do, you're gonna get paid. Well, the most. They pay on Friday. And remember, you need to have a PayPal account. So again, if you have some questions about the tasks that you're gonna be doing, go to the community. They are there. They're offering the in-person training bootcamp as well. And that's it. It's really easy, really simple to join remote tasks. The only actual requirement is to have a PayPal account and take action. Okay? Take action. Remember, you're going to click here where it says get started. You're going to land here on this page and you're going to connect your Facebook account. Okay? This is a legit website. So now that you are, at home, or maybe you were looking for a way to make money online, this is a good way in which you can do it. You are not gonna get rich with this, but it's gonna help you, to pay for your bills. And if you are okay with trading time for money, that's okay. But if you're looking for a way in which you can make even more money, and I mean passive income, I mean making money while you travel, while you sleep, when you decide, to enjoy your life, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay. Well, this is it for this video. If you find this content helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with someone you think he or she might be really interested. And I see you on the next video.